This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi all. Once again, very good morning, and thanks for joining. So, as part of yesterday we discussed a lot about what are the pre-installation steps. So, when before we go and start the sequence of our installation, what we need to take care, what is the instance, what are the how many instances are available, how many instances we can create in one server. That is what we discussed, and a couple of very important concepts like version, edition, location of binary files, authentication mode, especially service accounts. I say passwords. Collation is nothing but language, sir. And what are the components we need to install? So, any question till here? Everyone clear? Sir, very important. SQL installation is very simple, but the process is very important. Sir, everyone must want to remember the process. So just simply don't download and install the SQL server. So we should follow the process. Yeah.
शटल ही बड़ी तेज है और आ भी कैसे रही है यूं यूं आ रही है
No, 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 no. Okay, everyone clear till here? No questions?
No question, Subbu.
Okay. Sir, before we go and perform the SQL installation, so let's discuss something about the edition. Sorry, editions. Editions. So we have different types of editions in SQL Server. Okay. Even when you go for operating system, also we have different type of editions like enterprise operating system, standard operating system, data center operating system, home based operating system, pro operating system. Correct? Yes or no? Like same when you go to the SQL Server, we have lot different types of editions like enterprise edition, standard edition, okay, express edition, evaluation edition, developer edition, okay, web edition, mobile edition, okay. So we have different types of editions. So again, I told in starting itself, most of the cases you will use the standard edition because the license cost. In case you need need enterprise edition, will go, sir. Means if application need to enable the features, that features are only compatible in enterprise edition, then go for enterprise edition, sir. Otherwise, we can prefer standard edition. Getting my point? So a couple couple of things, sir. One second. Okay, a couple of things. So if you go, sir, just we have different editions, sir. Just click on SQL Server 2017 editions or 2016 editions, 2014 editions. Okay, you will see lot of features in every edition, sir. Enterprise edition, standard edition, web edition, developer edition, express edition. So most mostly commonly used, sir. Just give me 2 minutes, I will back. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah. Just confirm me. Everyone able to hear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have different types of edition in SQL Server, sir. So if you not know, sir, again, okay, in keep on our journey, you will get to know all the features what are very important, which we are really using in real world. So there are lot many features, okay, in each edition. Okay, couple of things here. Everything they mentioned, sir. Okay, like limitation. The major thing you will notice is limitation. Enterprise edition, there is no limitations or max. Everything is max. Again, I'm repeating. In enterprise edition, there is no limitation. Everything is max. Maximum CPUs you can use. How many CPUs you configure for your operating system you can use. Maximum memory you can use. Okay, everything max, sir. But when you go to the standard edition or when you go to the web edition, when you go to the express edition, there is limitation. There is a limitation, sir. Okay, maximum you can use 120 GB of RAM. Maximum, sir. Maximum you can use 120 GB of RAM when you go to the standard edition. Assume in your laptop it's having 250 GB of RAM and you install standard edition. If you install standard edition, you your SQL cannot grow more than 128 GB because it being a standard edition, maximum capacity of memory for your SQL is 128 GB. Getting my point, online people? So there are limitations, sir. So maximum you can use 24 cores. Okay, when you go for web edition, maximum you can use 16 cores. So there are limitations when you go to the scale resources. Like same when you go to the futures, sir. Whether log shipping will supports or not, database mirroring will supports or not, database compression will supports or not, database snapshot will supports or not, always on availability group, basic always on availability group. There is difference, sir. Basic always on availability group, always on with the cluster instance. See, we have three different mechanisms here. So this introduced from SQL Server 2016 onwards. From SQL Server 2016, Microsoft came up with always on, basic always on in the standard edition. See, only in standard edition it is compatible, not in enterprise edition. Getting my point, everyone, online people? So what is always on availability group? What is basic always on availability group? All these concepts in our keep on our journey we will get, are all we are going to cover. Okay, so if I go for enterprise edition, if we go for standard edition, so which one I need to prefer, Subbu, means first what is the client requirement, what is your application requirement. Once you got the proper requirement, go and verify these documents, sir. Getting my point? You should go and verify this document. So what is the requirement, whether that requirement is fulfilled in the standard edition or I need to go for enterprise edition. If their requirement is okay for standard edition, go for standard edition, sir, because you are reducing license cost. So if the requirement is beyond the standard edition, we need to definitely go for the enterprise edition. Some of the projects they are going to use the express edition only, sir. One of our student who on one company, small, it's a small company, sir. They're maintaining around 200 to 300 servers. All servers are express edition only. Okay, so depends on the requirement, depends on the budget, they will prefer, sir. But as a TPA, how we need to confirm that whether enterprise edition fit or standard edition will fit, okay, by seeing what is the client requirement. So what is their requirement, what are the features they are expecting, okay, by this installation. So if that requires if that features are okay with standard edition, go for standard edition. Otherwise we need to inform to them, hey, as per your requirement this feature is not compatible. For example, they want always on availability group, they don't want basic always on availability group, they want always on availability group. Always on is only compatible at enterprise level. So if you want basic, I can go for standard edition. If you want always on availability group, then you need to go for the enterprise level only. So, and also when you go to the scalability performance level, okay, such database compression, resource governors, all these are what are compatible, what are not compatible. All these features are very important that we are going to cover. Okay, and also security part, what they are expecting from the security. Okay, see sir, for example, TDE, transparent data encryption, is compatible in standard edition from SQL Server 2019. When you go to SQL Server 2017, it is not compatible, sir. In standard edition, you can't enable TDE, transparent data encryption. See, sir, TDE is not compatible in the standard edition. It is only compatible in enterprise edition. So in case if they are expecting standard edition, sorry, if they are expecting TDE encrypting, sir, encryption, your database encryption, sir. Okay, if you want TD encryption, TD database level encryption, and they want to do standard edition, then you can tell, hey, instead of you're going for 2017, why can't you go for 2019? In 2019, in standard edition, we can enable TDE. Is it good point, right, sir? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
Subbu.
So because they don't know, sir, they are simply asking, I want TDE. I want SQL Server 2017, but I need standard edition. I don't want enterprise edition. So directly don't tell no. It is not possible. Why can't you upgrade, or why can't you install 2019? If your application is compatible to 2019, then I can go for 2019 standard edition. In standard edition, TD is compatible, so that you can save your license cost. Yes? No?
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, that is how we need to encourage that. So better. This is the best document, sir. Okay. So what are the things? Majorly, sir, resource level limitations are available, and some features are not compatible, sir. Apart from nothing, almost your installation is same. Cost, license cost, sir. Forget about license cost. Okay, that is a main matter, license cost. But when you go for SQL level, sir, except forget about license, when you go for SQL level, you need to consider all these points. What are the features are compatible? What is the limitation? What they are expecting from us? Based on that, if they are asking suggestion, you can provide the suggestions, or you can provide directly this link. Okay, go on. They will refer this link, so no worries. Okay, what they are expecting, whether that is compatible or not, they will also look into. Okay, simply we won't provide the sessions, right? You can also, you need to also share this document. Please refer this document for more inputs. Then, sir, most important, standalone installation, cluster installation. Again, sir, one point I can tell you. Uh, Nowadays, we are not preferring SQL on clustered, sir. Make a note. Mostly, sir, you will see rare case. Okay, so we'll see almost a standalone installation only. Almost standalone installation only. Got it? Clear? Not clear, sir? So here also same thing, sir. Enterprise edition, standard edition, web edition, express edition. What are the limitations? What are the features are compatible? Here also they mention. All we are going to discuss, sir. If even I told you it's very difficult to remember the terminologies. Just go on search with on Google, sir. SQL Server Edition datasheet. Okay, then you will get one PDF file, sir. That PDF is this one. Okay, this is high level, sir. This is high level. So when you go to this block, you will see complete details. Got it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Question, sir. Questions? No questions? Again, sir, no one is asking questions, okay? Uh, Definitely will face difficulties, sir. That's what my intention, okay? I'm here to help you only. No, sir. No, let's, if everyone is okay. Sir, yesterday also I told you same thing, right? When you start installing SQL. So for example, sir, your application team came up with, sir, yesterday I created a hypervisor. It's a virtual machine, sir. In my laptop, I'm having 8 cores and 16 GB of RAM. You can verify, sir. So 8 cores and 16 GB of RAM. Okay. So I'm having four cores and 8 logical processors. And when you go to the RAM, I'm having 16 GB RAM, and I'm also having 4 GB of virtual RAM, sir. Okay. One more chip card. Uh, you notice, sir, everyone knows about IQ Mobile extended memory. Nowadays, every smartphone is providing extended memory. Correct? They're converting your storage into memory. Yes or no? That kind of memory is also available in my laptop, sir. So I am comfortable. Okay. So what I done means yesterday, I created two virtual machines. Okay, two virtual machines which are running in the Windows Server 2019. Windows Server 2019. Okay, Windows Server 2019. I will take a separate session, sir, how to create this hypervisor, how to create this VMs, all this stuff. I will make a separate session. Not now, sir, because this why I created yesterday means I am I wanted to show previous batch. I am treating this as a on-premises and Azure as a cloud. How to configure site-to-site configuration and how to migrate whatever data is available in this VM to directly to the cloud directly. How and how many methods we can follow to migrate this VM data to the cloud. What are the challenges? All we are going to discuss. That is one of the reason I deployed yesterday. Okay, so this is how your VMs looks like, sir. Okay, so this is how sir, it's also server only, but this is how your VMs look like. Mm, okay, so once you connect, once you take RDP, this is how your server looks like, sir, in real world. Once you connect to the server, so for example, this is a remote desktop connection, sir. Even you can also connect from here, MSTSC, okay, 172.22.176.12, okay, and you need to pass your username, KMS, password, okay, and you should pass the domain name, sir. Sir, all these concepts again, what is the domain? All these concepts you will get in coming session, sir. Now, once I click on OK, it will take RDP to the server. See, sir, now I am RDPing to the server. In this server, you need to install SQL. I told you, right? They will provide the server name. Once they provide the server name, first what you need to do, sir, whether you are able to connect or not. I am able to connect, sir. Are you able to connect, sir? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Connected.
Once I connect to the server, what I will do, I will open my computer and I will see what are the disks are available. What are the disks are available? Okay, all the disks are available. All the disks are available, and I will also open MS Info 32. MS Info 32. Okay, yeah, I'm having 2 cores with 4 logical processors, and RAM is I allocated 2 GB, sir. 2 GB of RAM. It's good. Okay, I told you right yesterday. 1 GB RAM is sufficient. I allocated 2 GB, sir. It is good. Yes, no.
Yes, sir. But how it is allocated RAM, sir?
That again, I will not now, sir. I will show you a different session how to deploy that hypervisor VMs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's focus on SQL part, sir. I will show you, no worries. Because I wanted to take 37 batch because uh, it's very difficult, sir. In real world, network team work with all this type of configurations, sir. Network team, Windows team. We are not network team, right? We are SQL team. I wanted to yesterday almost 3 hours I spent to build all these servers because I am not sure after we upgrading Windows 11 I'm facing a lot of challenges. Yesterday I fixed and it got worked. I just spent for 3 hours to build all these VMs. Okay, but I will make very simplify for you, sir. Okay, so in a simple terms, where means whenever you are creating itself, it will ask us, sir. After you creating, if you wanted to change the RAM, go to the settings, and there is a memory. Here you can increase, sir. Here you can increase RAM. How much minimum, how much maximum, okay, how much buffer I need to set it. All these settings are, but no worries, this will taken care by your Windows team in real world. Yep. Yes, no, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I wanted to install SQL in this VM, sir. So VM1 2019. You got a ticket, you got a mail saying that hi DBA team. Can you go and install SQL Server on VM1 hyphen 2019? This is my server name, sir. This is my computer name. This is my computer name. On this computer name, I need to install SQL Server. Now what you will do? You will go here, MSTSC 172.22.176.15. I remember. Okay, sir. Then you may ask, sir, Subbu, why you are using IP address, not the server name? Okay, sir. There is a concept called DNS. So I not yet done the DNS, sir. Means IP address to name, name to IP address. So that is the reason I am connecting with the IP address. In real world, you can connect with the server name, sir, because your Windows team will do the DNS. What is DNS means? Sir, if you open, what is the IP address for Google, sir? NS lookup www.google.com. Google.com. See, sir, this is the IP address for Google. Okay, so this is the IP address for Google. This is IPv4. This is IPv6, sir. No worries. All this concept we are going to cover in Azure. What is IPv4? What is IPv6? Okay, why this IP address look like this one? Okay, we will discuss as much as I can possible. All the knowledge I will share, sir. Beyond that, no, because I am not a network team, sir. I am not a Windows team. I am not a storage team. But as much as I can share with you, sir, the knowledge. Okay. So see, sir, I can call the IP. I can call the Google with this IP address. See, are you getting Google, sir? Yes, no. I am
Yes.
not typing www.google.com, sir. I am just calling with IP address. But it's very difficult to remember the IP address, sir. Correct? Can you remember this IP address, sir? 142.250.205.228. You can go and search. You can, if you have open the computer, you can do NS lookup, sir. You will get different IP address. Everyone will get different IP address, sir. It's very difficult to remember. So what they will do, right? They will map this IP address to this name. That concept we should call it as a DNS, domain network service. So they will converts IP address into name, name into IP address. IP address into name, name into IP address, sir. So that is how we are calling as a name. So because everyone will remember the name, sir, than IP address. So internally, they will design the DNS names. Who? Windows team, sir. Windows team will design the DNS names. But I will also discuss about the DNS names, sir. Not this type of DNS. I really don't know, sir. But how DNS look like, how mapping look likes, that level we'll discuss in cluster part. Hope you understand. Yes, no, online people.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, you can go and verify, sir. DNS MT, I hope. No, DNS MG. Okay, sir. I forget the shortcut. Okay, no problem. Let me open server manager, sir. I will show you, sir. Hold on. While it is opening, we can connect to this server, sir. NA is my domain name. Okay. KMS. What is the domain name? How to create the domain names? How it will work? So all we'll discuss in the cluster level, sir. Okay. I connect to the both of. See, sir, multiple servers I connected. In real world also same, sir. You can connect to the multiple server. Please, but don't shut down, sir. Okay. Don't shut down. Don't restart. Please, sir. These are servers. You never shut down the servers. You never restart the servers. Once you connect to the server, do your work, whatever, sir, and log off. Disconnect. Or or go to run, click log off. That's it, sir. Don't shut down. Don't restart. Please, sir. I'm requesting everyone. You should not shut down. You should not restart until unless there is a need. You never, sir. You can connect to the server, do your work, and log off, sir. Log off. Don't close this as well, sir, directly. That is not a best practice, sir. Okay, you need to log off properly. Okay, hope everyone understands it. Don't shut down. Don't restart the servers, sir. Now you can go and verify there is a DNS. Let me open DNS manager, sir. Yeah, DNS manager. See, sir, I'm having two servers. Okay, this is my one server name. This is my one server name. Every server is having associate IP address, sir. Just now I call the same IP address only, right, sir? Yes or no? 172.22.176.15, 172.22.176.12. So here they will do lot of stuff, sir. We don't know. No need that stuff, sir. Okay. In case if you get opportunity, you can explore a lot. That is also well and good. But this is how the server name and IP address will be mapped in the DNS, sir. Domain network service. Got it, everyone? Yes, no? At least yes, sir. Yes or no, at least.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Sir, name will be mapped to IP address. IP address will be mapped to name, sir. That's it. The domain name is, that's it, sir. Domain network service. Okay, DNS. DNS is nothing but name will be mapped to IP address. IP address will map to the name. Got it?
Got it, sir.
So you can open with IP address. You can also open with the name. Just now I opened Google with IP address, right, sir? You can also open with IP address. You can also open with the name.
Sir, IP address is in the URL having same IP address or a different IP address. But suppose I'm opening in my laptop also getting same IP address or different.
No, no, different. Every different, sir. Because Google is a public protocol. Google is not a private. Google is a public protocol. But these are static IP address. Sir. It won't change because I provided this IP address. It's never changed. Come on, yeah. 172.22.176.12. Again, forget about network, sir. We will discuss. No problem. Okay, you will go mad. No worries. We'll discuss about the networks, high level networks, as much as we can.
Okay.
Okay, because
Subbu,
sir, this
I have
is
a doubt, please.
yes, yes, Prasad.
Yeah, you can continue. I'll ask you later.
No. But done. My part is done, sir. You can. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, in our organization, I'm not supposed to. I'm not allowing to open the server with the server name. I'm
That's
only
what
allowing
they're not
to
yet done.
open.
They're not yet
Yeah,
done
they're
DNS.
not done DNS mapping.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. It will be done by Windows team, right?
Windows Team only, sir. Windows Team, sir.
Okay. Okay. Until we can't do from our side, right?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Now, sir. Okay. Now you connect to the server. Now you connect to the server, sir. Okay. Sir, now you connect to the server and you can open if you have any doubts. Open, sir. Host name. Yesterday I forget to change the server name, sir. Everything I done, but I forget to change the server name. Come on, yeah. VM1 2019. Okay, I need to restart, sir. Just restart the VM because I don't want to confuse you, sir. Just everyone should be more crystal and clear. MSTSC hyphen V 172.22.176.15. Sir, you can directly pass here, sir. Pass the hyphen V, okay, and pass your server name or pass your IP address, sir. And click on OK. Okay, it will directly pop up, sir. Come on here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you can go and verify your server name will be VM1 2019 only, sir. Yesterday I missed that part actually. You can open run command. Okay, so host name. Are you able to see everyone? Yes, VM1 2019.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yeah,
am in
Subbu. Yes.
right server, sir. Now you are good to install the SQL server. Yes, no. I connected to the server, sir. In case if you're not able to connect to the server, what you will do, sir? ఒకవేళ మీరు సర్వర్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వకపోతే what you will do, sir?
Contact the first network team.
Hey, Windows team, sir. Don't network team. Windows team.
Windows team, sir.
Okay, good. Very good answer, sir. So first you need to contact the Windows team. That's it. Okay, and so I told you, right? Go and see the disk. Sir, here I am able to see the 3 drives: C drive, D drive, E drive. But when I open my computer, this is not yet fully, sir, because I need to format. What happened? Are you able to see? Yeah, format the disk. I noted done yesterday format, sir. Quick format. Okay. Okay. Close. Here also you can format, sir. Format. So I'm not sure. It not allowed me to create multiple disks, sir. I thought to create multiple disks to show you live practical. Okay, data files on this drive, log files on this drive, and temp db on different drive. but unfortunately it is not allowing more than 3 disks, sir. Okay. And I don't even it went so late night for me to build all this way because I'm in second shift actually yesterday. Okay, that's the reason I just worked with the 2 disk only. Is it fine, right, everyone? Yes? No? Sir, I'm changing this drive to data disk. Data. I am admin only, sir. Okay. So this I am keeping as a log. Log. Now everyone okay, sir? Data files will be go to the D drive. Log files will go to the E drive. Is it fine, everyone? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, sir, what I'm going to do? Right click on here, go to new, create a folder, sir. MS SQL. Sir, go for valid folder name, sir. Don't give whatever name you want. MS SQL and keep data. Data. So I am going to store all my data files in this drive. Fine, everyone. I created one folder called MS SQL and I created one more folder called data. Fine. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to the log, sir. Again here also create the folders. MS. Sir, if they are providing folder structure, if your application team is providing folder structure, follow the same folder structures. Otherwise, you can go for this mechanism, sir. MS SQL easily you can understand, sir. Okay, MS SQL, go for log, LDF files, and I'm going to create one more folder, sir. That is nothing but tempdb because I don't have another disk, sir. I'm so sorry. Okay, and can I create one more disk for backups? So whatever I yesterday explained you, backups one disk, log file one disk, tempdb one disk, data files one disk. Everyone agree, sir? Yes?
Yes,
No?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Subbu.
Yes. Now, sir,
Yes,
what
sir.
you need what you need to do, you need service account, right, sir? Service account. Yes, no?
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now what I will do, sir? Okay. Now, sir, once you connect to the server, ping one server name, sir. Ping server name pm1 hyphen 2019 2019. Sir, here you will get fully qualified domain name. Okay, fully qualified domain name, sir. As of now, no need to confuse. Make a note, sir. I will explain all these concepts again with clear examples. Okay, so this we will call it as a fully qualified domain. This is domain name, sir. NA is my domain. NA is my domain. NA stands for North America. Means my servers are placed in the North America. North America. So that is how they will create in real world, sir. Even when you are connecting to the server, when you are connecting to the servers also, you are connecting with the domain name. Means your login is also part of domain. Every login, every server will be part of domain in real world, sir. మీరు మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో కనెక్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు జస్ట్ లాగిన్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇస్తాడు సార్. బట్ రియల్ వరల్డ్ లో లాగిన్ నేమ్ అలాంగ్ విత్ డొమైన్ నేమ్. డొమైన్ నేమ్ is the mandatory in real world. Domain, what is your company domain? So NA is my domain. Okay, so there will be a logic, sir. Every domain there will be logic. Simply they can't create domain names, sir. NA North America, SA South America, AP Asia Pacific. Okay, EA Europe Asia. So like that they will create a domain, so every company follows their own domain names. Okay, but for example I provided NA as a my domain name, sir. Sir, again, no worries. See the logic. Main concept I will discuss in the cluster part. I will configure everything from scratch. Is it fine, everyone? Yes, no? Okay. So, sir, you should get the domain name, sir. Because why, Subbu, I need to get the domain name means, sir, in real world, if you are maintaining only one domain, no problem, sir. But some of the companies will maintain multiple domains. So in my organization, we used to maintain almost 8 domains: NA, North America; SA, South America; EA, Europe Asia; AP, Asia Pacific; upstream, downstream, XTO, RTO. Like that, we are maintaining almost 7 to 8 domains. Means my servers, my applications are available in these regions: in North America, in South America, in Europe Asia, in Asia Pacific. Upstream, downstream are nothing but Gulf countries, sir, like Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Okay, our servers are available in Gulf countries. Our servers are available in America. Our servers are available in Europe. Our servers are available in Asia, like Bangkok, Singapore, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so to understand easily what my organization done, right? My organization has been specified the domain names. By seeing the domain name, we came to, okay, this server is belong to North America, this server is belong to South America, this server is belong to Europe Asia, this server is belong to Asia Pacific, this server is belong to um, Gulf countries. So by seeing the domain name, we can easily identify, sir. Getting my point? Yes, online people. Come on, sir, please, please. Okay, everyone, you should tell at least yes, sir. Otherwise, uh,
Yes, sir.
I
Yes.
won't get more interest. Okay, because I feel that you are not understanding. This is real world, sir. I am explaining real world installation. That is the major reason yesterday I just spent for 3 hours for you. I don't want directly go and install SQL Server. I can do it, sir. But if I show real world, you will feel more comfortable. Okay. Now, sir. So once you got the domain name, now you need to create the service account, right, sir? So when you are creating service account, sir, when you are creating, so for example, SQL VM1 hyphen 2019. This is my service account, sir. Assume this is my service account. So for this login, you need to use NA because my server is belong to NA. My login is also should be belong to NA. So please be careful. When you are creating service account, make sure that your service account also should be part of same domain. Very, very important, sir. Again, I'm repeating. Again, I'm repeating, sir. Just verify on which domain your server is running. Make sure that your login also should belong to the same domain. దిలీప్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను మళ్ళీ. ఓకే ఓకే. సో make sure that when you are creating a request to the Active Directory team, you should make a note, sir. What is your server domain? Make sure that same domain your login should also belongs. Clear? Not clear?
Sir,
Everyone clear, sir?
admin name as well as domain name is same or different, sir?
Admin. Oh, admin is it's just login, sir. It's a default login whenever you are working with servers. When you are working with the servers, sir, see, sir, I can switch the login here. I can switch the login. By default, you will get the admin login for the server, sir. We never use admin login, sir. We'll use my login, our dedicated logins. How they will do means, okay. So this is domain controller server, sir. Okay. This is my domain controller server. I can go and open my Active Directory, sir. tsa.msc, sir. 50-50 chance, sir. Again, I'm repeating, 50-50 chance. You may get a chance to open dso.msc, means Active Directory, or you may also not get a chance. Sometimes you will get a chance, sir. If you are getting this chance, well and good. Well and good, sir, because you can double check when you are having authentication issues, when users are not able to connect to the SQL server, you can double check here. Okay, but if you don't have access to open dsa.msc is nothing but Active Directory, then you need to completely rely on Active Directory team only, sir. Means every time you need to contact Active Directory team to verify, not for creation, sir. Don't do any changes. Don't create anything, sir. Here, you are not authorized. You are just to see. You are just to see. Don't do any changes. You are not authorized. Okay? Not okay. Don't make any changes sir, at Active Directory level in real world. Just see. Yes. Okay. Agree. You can see, sir. How? So I wanted to check. I wanted to verify what is my whether my login is uh, uh, available or not. I wanted to see whether my login is expired or not. I wanted to see whether my login is locked or not. All this stuff you can go and see, sir. KMS is my login. Go and verify, sir. See my login. Okay. So I already created one account, sir. SQL account for service account, sir. See, I having one login. You can go and verify. Yeah, I set the password never expire. My account is not in locked state. Okay, this is my domain name. This is my login name. See, sir, you need to verify. Don't do any changes. My request, sir. Don't perform any changes. You can go and see. అంటే మీరు dsa.msc ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మీరు యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ ఓపెన్ చేస్తారు సార్. యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీలో ఏముంటది, మీ కంప్యూటర్స్, మీ లాగిన్స్, మీ గ్రూప్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడే ఉంటాయి సార్. అన్ని ఇక్కడే ఉంటాయి సార్. మీరు వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ కి యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తారు సార్, మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ మీకు యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వరు సార్ టు ఓపెన్ యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ. ఓకే, if they're granting access, well and good. If not, you need to contact Active Directory for anything. Got it? Not got it?
Yes, sir.
So now once you request Active Directory team to create account, sir. This is my account, SQL VM1 hyphen 2019 is my account, sir. Service account. Okay, and it should NA, sir. It should NA. So what I will do, okay, what they will do means Active Directory team, they will expand here. Okay, there are users. Right click on user, go to new, click on user. Okay, provide the login name and provide your login name, sir. This is my login name. This is my domain name. I'm having only one domain, sir. That is the reason it is speaking. If you have multiple domains, it will ask you to choose which domain you want to configure. Okay, then click on next, and then click on next and set the password, sir. Okay, so password never expire. Okay, user must change the password. Oh, both you can change. Okay, password never expired, sir. Okay, then click on next, click on finish. So once they create a account, what they need to do means they need to add this account to the Active Directory administrator level. Sir, when you open computer management, sir, computer manager, when you open computer management, here also there is a concept called users and groups. Oh, not in this server, sir. This is a domain server. I need to go for here. Open. Today my VMs are a bit faster. I thought that VMs will be a bit slow, but it's running good only, sir. See, sir, in my computer there is a computer management. Under management, there is a local users and group. Under local users, there is administrator. Okay. Don't add your login name here, sir. No, it is not a best practice. Don't add your service account under local administrator level. No, that is not a best practice. That is not a best practice. What you need to do, you need to educate your Active Directory team. So definitely they will add without fail. But in case if they are not adding, you need to educate them. Hey, so please go and add my service account to the Active Directory administrator level. Getting my point? Yes? No? Okay, sir. Clear? Not clear? So,
What's the difference? Like here is Active Directory admin, there is local admin, right?
sir, this is Active Directory administrator level. Whatever
Okay.
the servers, whatever the servers, all the servers having control from here itself. So when you are granting locally, only within that server you have the control. Getting my point? Local
Okay.
means local server, sir. Only within that server you have the control. I don't want that control, sir. I don't want that level administrator permission. I want Active Directory administrator level permissions. Because this is the
Okay.
service account.
If we
This
add
is the
here,
service account.
we can connect
Yeah.
to other server also by
Yes, sir.
network path, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So don't prefer, sir. Don't encourage. ఒక్కొక్కసారి సార్ ఇన్ రేర్ కేస్ వెన్ యు ఆర్ ట్రబుల్ షూటింగ్ సీక్వెల్ sometimes we'll add our service account to local administrator level sometimes, but that is for temporary, sir. You need to fix that permanently. Sometimes when our SQL is not starting, in that cases we'll add, sir, sometimes, but that is not a best practice. Okay, I hope now you got it right, sir, how they are going to create the service account, how they once they create the service account, what they will do, sir, they will add your service account into the
Active Directory admin. Active
Active
Directory
Directory
admin level.
administrator. That's it, sir. Clear? Not clear, sir? Yes? No? Sir, maximum I explained, sir, all. Now, next, your service account has been created, right? Before you go and install service account, what you need to, sir? You need to grant the permission to your folders. You need to grant the permission to your folders. To whom, sir? Your service account. Service account. See, sir, are you able to see the service account on different server? Sir, this is my domain. This is my domain controller server. I created login here, but I am able to access in different server, right? This is a different server. Yes or no? So that is the reason, sir. I told you, don't add your service account in local administrator level. You need to add the service account in the Active Directory administrator level so that all the servers which are part of the domain can access this login. Clear? Not clear?
Can you explain Telugu, sir?
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఏ సార్, సి, మీరు ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేశారండి లాగిన్? యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీలో కదండి. మనం యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీలో లాగిన్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం, అంటే ఈ సర్వర్లో క్రియేట్ చేసాము. కానీ ఈ సర్వర్కి ఎలా తెలుస్తుందండి నేను ఒక లాగిన్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను అనేసి? సి, మీరు వెళ్ళి చూడండి, కంప్యూటర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. మీరు కంప్యూటర్ హోమ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అసలు మీ కంప్యూటర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్లో ఆ యూజరే లేడండి. అసలు ఈ యూజరే లేదు కదా. మీకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుందండి ఈ యూజర్? ఎందుకంటే ఇది యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ నుంచి గెట్ చేసుకుంటుంది. బికాస్ ఐ యాడెడ్ దిస్ లాగిన్ ఇన్ టు ద యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ లెవెల్. సార్, యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ బ్రెయిన్. మీ బ్రెయిన్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుందండి? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? యువర్ బ్రెయిన్, సార్. మీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, సార్, యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యువర్ బ్రెయిన్. హౌ అవర్ బ్రెయిన్ విల్ వర్క్స్, అవర్ యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ విల్ ఆల్సో వర్క్ సేమ్. If your brain goes down, you will go for coma, right? సార్ మీ బ్రెయిన్ డౌన్ అయిపోతే మీరు కోమాగా సార్ ఇంకా సేమ్ యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ డౌన్ అవుతే ఎంటైర్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ విల్ డౌన్. ఎంటైర్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ విల్ డౌన్ సార్. If active directory down, entire your project will down, because your active directory is maintaining everything. What is that everything? What is that everything, sir? Computers, printers, webcam, logins, passwords, groups, everything, permissions, policies, everything here it is maintaining. So if this goes down, then entire your application will down, sir. Entire your project will down. But no worries, sir. Active directory never down, sir. ఓకే. అర్థమైందండి అందరికి?
ఓకే సార్.
గుడ్ శివ, అట్లీస్ట్ యూ ఓపెన్ యువర్ యూ ఆస్క్ సంథింగ్, బట్ అదర్స్ గౌతమ్, హరి, అశోక్, తిరుపతి, why you people are so silent? Okay, now sir, now what I need to do? So I already created a folder, sir. You need to grant the permission, full control permission, sir. So I am just granting to my service account folder level permissions. Okay, now you are good to install the SQL server. Now everything is ready, sir. SQL VM1-2019 is my login service account. Yeah. Now what you need to do, sir, in real world, they will keep all the setup files in one location, sir. Whenever you are starting your project, you need to ask them where our setup files are available. They will show you, sir, where our setup files are available. Now what you can do, you can copy into the server, sir. You can copy into the server. How means max to max they will keep in the network folders. I will show you, sir, how to create the network folder, how to access. So max to max they will keep in the network folder, sir. You can copy from the network folder, sir. Don't cut and paste, copy only. So but I don't have any separate folder, sir. What I done means I went to the Google and downloaded the SQL, sir. I need to download. First I open Google, sir. Sir, in real world, maximum you won't get the internet connection, sir, for servers. Okay, here I allowed internet connection because I wanted to download everything. But when we are discussing cloud, I will show you, I will restrict internet connection, and I will restrict internet connection to my DB server, but I will move the data to the cloud without internet. Sir, cloud is different, sir. Cloud is network, correct? Your cloud is something available in the network, but in this server I don't have internet connection. Then how I can move the data from without internet connection to the cloud? That level you will get it, sir, in coming days. Okay, now you need to download SQL server, sir. SQL server download. Okay, copy here, go to SQL server download, search for SQL server download, open the first block, sir. Click on free trial. So you will get the evaluation edition, sir. Evaluation is nothing but student purpose. It is like enterprise edition only. You can do everything, sir. You can do everything. It is like enterprise edition only, but this will expire in 6 months. ప్రతి 6 months కి ఇది ఎక్స్పైర్ అవుతుందండి. మీరు మళ్ళీ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి మళ్ళీ అదే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోండి, మళ్ళీ 6 months వస్తుంది. సో ఆఫ్టర్ 6 months uninstall SQL, reinstall SQL, uninstall SQL, reinstall SQL, lifelong it will be free for you. Okay, so 2019, sir. If you want 2016, okay, scroll down. If you want 2017, you can download 2017. If you want 2016, you can download 2016. If you want 2012, go and download 2022, sir. Okay, download. Oh, maybe this is the first batch. I am going to teach 2012 directly. Let it be download, sir. Let's see whether we are able to.
2022, right?
2022. I'm so sorry. Yeah, 2022. Okay, you can provide your name, sir. Subbu, CN, whatever, sir. Uh, Not a mandatory. Okay. Choose India. We are from India, right? India. Company 1000 plus. Okay. Role. DB. Any names are even people who are not working. Okay. India. Any mobile number, sir. Okay. No worries. Then click on download. Sir, it will start download, sir. Yes. Okay. 64-bit. Now you can directly click on run, sir. No need to save. It will open one window, sir. From that window, you need to download, sir. Okay. SQL Server 2022. Oh, good. Okay. Download the media, and you can save it in download folder, sir. For time being, click on download. It will download, sir. Oh, the file size is also very less, sir, this time. Good. Previously, the file size are very huge. What is the file size of 2019? Oh, it's almost 1.3 GB only. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay. Good, sir. We are directly seeing 2022. I am also installing first time. Come on, yeah. Why? Oh my God. Meanwhile, any questions? Sir, I connect to the server. I verified the disk. I created the folder. I granted permission full control to the service account. And I copied the setup file. Now we will proceed the installation. That's it, sir. But whatever we discussed from yesterday to today, that all the process. Now installation is very simple, sir. If you know all this one, installation will very simple, sir. Network is very less today. I hope every time the network speed will be almost 70 to 80 Mbps per second. Now it's only 50. Not sure. 50. Almost there, sir. Yeah, done, sir. Okay, now you can go and verify. Okay, 2022 setup file is available, sir. Now, once you copied the setup file, sir, double click on the setup file. Okay, you will see multiple folders, sir, tools, resources, reg dixt. Okay, 103 enu lu. Okay, so setup. So in time being, sir, on your laptop, try to install 2019, try to install 2017, try to install 2016, try to install 2014. Okay, so from 14 to 22 you can download, sir. Okay, from the same block SQL downloaders, and try to install one by one and see the differences on each screen, sir. Then you will become more stronger in the installation also. So now what you need to do, you need to right click on here setup file and just click on run as administrator. Run as administrator. Now you can close this window, sir. I no need in this window. Okay, this window also let me close it, sir. And let me close this window. Now I just installing SQL Server 2022, sir. Okay. Now, sir, I can do one thing. Can I do one thing, sir? In my local laptop, can I open 2019? We will compare what are the major changes made from 2019 to 2022. Everyone, are you okay? I'm having, see, sir, I'm having 2000, 2005, 2008, 2012, 14, 16, 17, 19, and even SQL Server 7.0 also, but it won't work, sir. Till here, it won't works. Okay. At least from 2012 it will work, sir, but I just kept it. Okay, now let me do one thing, sir. In my local laptop, can I go for 2019, sir? Yes, no?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, you can.
Uh, Come on here. Okay, sir, yeah, fine. Okay, in my laptop I just opened SQL Server 2019. Okay, so this is SQL Server 2019, sir. Let me minimize. Yeah, minimize, sir. And when you go to the server, and let me this also minimize, sir. We'll keep both side by side. Okay. Okay, almost the first main screen is same, right? Yes, no,
Yes, sir.
but you are getting something
Yes,
called
Subbu.
Azure extension for SQL Server new. There is no Azure SQL Server extension, sir. You got one thing. Okay, one new not new thing, Azure extension for SQL Server new has been added here. Okay, uh, first let me complete the installation, sir. Okay, so all this again I'm repeating, sir. SQL Server migration assistant, data migration assistant. We are going to discuss all this stuff, sir. What are very important to you? All we are going to cover. No need to worry. Click on installation. Click on installation. Okay, both installations, sir. So almost all are same only. Almost all are same only, right, sir? Yes, no. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Almost all are same. Now I am going to perform standalone installation, sir. New SQL Server standalone installation or add features to existing installation. Means you already installed SQL Server, sir, and you wanted to add some feature, you need to click on here. And you wanted to perform new installation also, you need to go for here. If you wanted to perform cluster installation, you need to go for here. Getting my point? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Would I
Subbu.
be? Yes. But one thing, why these are in grayed out? Oh, I not yet configure cluster. I'm so sorry. Okay, I not yet configure cluster, sir. Okay, yeah. So click on new SQL Server standalone installation. Click on new SQL standalone installation. Where it went? Come on, yeah. Browse the SQL Server install media. Array, yaar, I need to extract. Shit. Yeah, I no need to open, sir. Let me choose one. 1 second, sir. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay, it is also opening, sir. Now close this window. We don't need any this window, sir. It will open new window, sir. It will open new window. Now you can close this old window, sir. No need. And this is the window completely you are going to work, sir. We are going to work on this window. We are going to work on this window, sir. Let it be open, sir. Sir, when you go here, a couple of changes, sir. There is no concept called edition here in 2019. But are you able to see the edition, sir? Yes? No? Online people?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
are you
sir.
able to see the edition? It is directly going. It is directly going uh, to the installation rules. Okay, installation rules, and it is going, sir. It is going. But see, sir, it is first checking edition. So there is one new Windows. Sir, this is the first time even I am looking. Okay, so let me thoroughly check all the options, sir, and I will come back in the ending. How about SQL Server 2000 looks like completely? What are the enhancement done? Okay, just in time being, I'm showing the difference, sir. Is it fine, right, everyone? Yes? No?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, now I am choosing evaluation edition, sir. By default, this is also evaluation edition only. Then click on next. Let me go into the same page, sir. Accept the license. Okay, I accept the license. Then click on next. Okay, and Microsoft update, I don't want any update, sir. Let it be. Okay, I need to go for installation rule, sir. Here it is in installation rule. Let me go for installation rule. So almost same, sir. Yes or no? Almost the same, but one new window has been added. That is nothing but addition. What it is, it will does. Let me go through it once, sir. I will personally, I will go and check everything, and I will come back, sir. Is it fine, right? Everyone? Yes? Because
Yes, sir.
when you are attending interviews, some people definitely will ask us, sir, what is the difference you will notice when you are installing SQL Server 2019, when you are installing SQL Server 2022? Some people may ask you, sir. So that's the reason. So download all the versions and do one by one. Take all the screenshots, sir. 2019 step-by-step screenshot, 2017 step-by-step screenshot. That will help you, right, sir? Yes, no?
Yeah. One more
Yes,
like
sir.
22. This machine learning server shared future support also passed. Here
No.
2019 they that is not.
Yeah. Maybe additional checks, sir. It has been checked only 3 checks. It
Yeah.
performed 4 checks. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, that level, no, sir. Okay. You see what is the Windows has been added. It's very
Yeah.
difficult to remember all these points. Let's make the Windows. That is very important, sir. Just for hint. I don't mean that you won't remember this one, should not remember, but main focus is what Windows has been added.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Then click on next, click on next. Okay? Now sir, see, yeah, you are getting a lot of information about Azure. I don't want any Azure extension, sir. I don't want Azure extension for SQL Server, sir. Let it be normal installation. I don't want any Azure extension for SQL Server. Once we are good at Azure, sir, I will show you how the Azure extension will works, how to integrate this SQL into the Azure, all this stuff, sir. Because I can get this information, but I don't have currently Azure account, sir. Okay. Today I'm going to create Azure account and I will do all this stuff. What exactly it is doing, I will get back to you at the ending, sir. Make a sense, everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the new window which is added.
Yes, sir.
This is called, yes, yes, sir. Yes. Someone is asking. Okay. Now click on next, sir. Okay. Now it is asking, sir. But there is, where is passing instance name then? Okay. Sir, forget about 2022, sir. Let's focus on 2019. In 2019, till 2019 again, till 2019, same approach. Again, I'm repeating, from 2008 onwards, almost the same only, sir. Till 2019. Let's focus. I will focus later on 2022 as well. Let's go for perform the new SQL Server installation 2019. Sir, if you already installed SQL Server and if you wanted to add the feature, you can add the feature, sir, here. But I don't want to add the feature, sir. I wanted to perform new installation. Again, I'm repeating, sir. I wanted to perform new SQL Server installation. I wanted to perform new SQL Server installation. So that is the reason I'm selecting this one. If you already installed SQL Server, if you wanted to add the feature, you need to click on here and choose which instance I wanted to add the feature. Getting my point? Yes, no,
Yes, sir.
yes. Okay, now I'm going to perform new installation, sir. ఓకే, నేను కొత్త ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేస్తున్నా అండి. సో అందుకు నేను న్యూ సీక్వెల్ సర్వర్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేశాను. దెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్. Okay, and choose the edition, then click on next. Accept the license terms, then click on next. Oh, sorry, just I wanted to show you something, sir. Let me back, sir. Sir, in
No.
real world, in real world, we will pass the license key automatically. You will get the license key, sir, like 7561, like this, sir. Okay, 756 A B. Okay, to blah blah. So like this, you will get the a license key, sir. This license key is very important, sir. Enterprise edition, they will have different license key. Standard edition, they will have different license key. So technically, you should call it as a volume license key, VLC, volume license key, sir. This is the key. Based on this key only, your Microsoft is going to track how many servers you are maintaining, how many SQLs you are maintaining. Based on this key only, Microsoft will track everything, sir. Got it? Based on this key, sir. In real world, we will use this key. We will use this key, sir. So based on this key only, Microsoft is going to track how many servers, how many SQL you are maintaining, how many enterprise edition, how many standards you are maintaining. By this key, Microsoft is going to track. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. As of now, I am not selecting any key, sir, because we are using evaluation edition. Then click on next. Accept the licenses. Okay. Then click on next. Now this is very interesting, sir. Okay. Now you need to select the features. What features I wanted to install? Sir, when you go for features, there are lots, sir. Okay. So instance feature, shared features. Here two things, sir. Instance features, shared features. Sir, instance features means database engine, replication, full text search, polybase. Sir, a database engine, replication, mission level language, full text, data quality, polybase, analysis service. These are all instance level features. Means every time when you are installing SQL Server, you need to install these features. అంటే whatever you want, sir. మీకు ఏమి కావాలో అవి every time you need to install, sir. Means when you specially go to the instance features, you need to install every time what are the features you need. But when you go to the shared features, only one time for one server. Only one time for one server, sir. One time for one server. No need to, sir. In my laptop, I'm having 3 missions, right, sir? 3 SQL instance, right? Only one time, sir. No, it won't select it. It will be by default, it will be all the grayed out, sir. See, grayed out means only one time. So shared features are nothing but, sir, shared features are nothing but like root directories, sorry, client tool connectivities, integration services. Okay, these are all connectivity purpose, sir. Integration services, client tool connectivities, quality client connectivities, SQL client connectivities. All the client connectivities will be available in the shared features. Connectivity tools, sir. Most of the features are connectivity only. We'll discuss, sir, what is this will do, what is this will do, all we'll discuss. Okay, so shared features are only one time you need to install on one server, sir. Next time if you are installing SQL Server, by default it will be grayed out. No need to think, sir. No need to thanks. Only one time installation on one server, shared features. But instance features every time you need to install. Clear? Not clear, sir. సార్ షేడ్ ఫీచర్స్ అనేది ఒక్కసారి ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి ఒక సర్వర్లో. ఇంకా ఎన్నిసార్లు అయినా మీరు సీక్వెల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోండి, ఆటోమేటిక్గా అయ్యే షేడ్ ఫీచర్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాయి సార్. బట్ మీరు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఫీచర్స్ వచ్చేసి ఎవ్రీ టైం ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్. ప్రతిసారి మీరు సీక్వెల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ప్రతిసారి మీరు అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి. గాట్ ఇట్?
Yeah, we can use these shared features for any version, right? Suppose first
Yes,
time
sir.
when I'm installing 2014, I selected shared features. Next time I'm using like 2019, then also I can use these shared features, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Common, sir. Shared features are common.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, just it is a connectivity tool, sir. All are connectivity only. Okay, all are. We'll discuss, sir, about each and every point. We'll discuss. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss that points and discuss services. Then we'll go for our regular session, sir. Okay, sir. As of now, I am installing database engine service, replication service, full text service. Okay, uh, Sir, I don't want analysis service. I don't want policy-based service. I don't want mission-level language services. Okay. As of now, ignore, sir. As of now, ignore. Okay. Again, I'm repeating. 99% in real world, you will choose database engine, replication. If they need, you will select the full text services. Otherwise, you won't select the full text services, sir. If they need, you will select analysis services. Okay. Data quality service you can select, sir. That is, well, I will let you know, sir. And data quality client, client tool connectivity, client tool backend compatibility, client tool SDK, distribution relay controller, SQL connectivity, SQL master data service. You can select all these services, sir. It won't impact. Again, I'm repeating. Out of the box, what are the very important, sir? Database engine, replication. If they need analysis services, if they need integration services, you need to select, sir. Otherwise, you can ignore these two part. You can ignore these two part. Getting? Rest, mission level language. If they're asking, you can install mission level language. If they're asking polybase, you need to install polybase. Otherwise, you can skip, sir. Sir, 90% nowadays, now most of the people are not using mission level language like R, Python, Java, and polybase. Polybase is nothing but to connect to the external source, sir, like Hadoop, big data. If you wanted to connect from SQL to big data, you can use polybase, sir. And if you wanted to run the Python code, if you wanted to run the Java code, if you wanted to run the R language code, I don't want to install Python again in my laptop. You can install this middle level languages, sir. Directly you can run Python code in SQL directly, sir. Okay, but still that is out of box. Forget about that one. We are not discussing all that concept right away. The main concept, 90% you will do in real world is database engine, replication. If need, full text services, data quality service you can select, sir. If need, analysis services. If need, integration services. Rest all you can select except mission level language. Questions? Yes, no? Online people?
Yeah, no, sir. Good.
Okay. Now, sir, by default, all my binaries are going for C drive. Let it be, sir. My binaries files, let it go for the C drive, sir. Here also, let me select database engine, replication, data quality, and data quality master client connectivity. And there are no shade features like this, sir. Out of enhancement. Okay, click on next. Here also click on next, sir. Oh, here it is asking instance name. Hmm, okay, both are asking same. Now, sir, I can't go for default instance, sir, because already default instance is installed. But here I can go, sir, because in this server there is no SQL installation. Are you able to see any instance, sir? No, right? But in my laptop, one, two, three, already three instances are running, sir. So I can't go for default instance because I already installed default instance in my mission. So I need to go for named instance. This time I'm going for stage because already prod is this, dev test is this. I can go for dev, sir. Dev instance. Sir, give valid names, sir. Don't provide your names. Again, sir, provide instance names like prod, test, dev, stage, build, pre-prod. That will be very good, sir, when you are calling the instance name. Okay, you feel that I am working in real world. Don't give your name, sir. Okay, don't give your names like Ashok or some. Don't give your name, sir. Give a valid names so that whenever you are working, you feel that you are working in real world. Okay. Yes, no, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, sir, here I am installing default instance, but here I am installing the named instance, sir. Then click on next, then click on next. Okay. Very simple, sir. Next, 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 apart from nothing, sir. What are the features you need to install? What is the service account, sir? Here my service account is, what is the service account, sir? SQL VM1-2019, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. And I wanted to provide my password. Okay. SQL VM1-2019. 2019. Provide password. Okay. Make it automatic, sir. Okay. Here let me go for local. Someone asked, right? Can I install SQL on local machine? Can I go install this and run the local mission, sir? Local accounts. These are local, sir. NT services are local. Can I go, sir? So that you will get to know, okay, we can also install SQL Server with service accounts. We can also install SQL Server with the local accounts. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, sir, go to the collation. I told you, right, sir, yesterday. Collation language. So by default, let it be Latin only, sir. In 2022 also, let go for, by default it will be Latin only, sir. Let it be Latin, sir. I don't want change. I don't want to change, sir. If I wanted to change, go to the custom and choose whatever collation they want, sir. Whatever collation they want. Here also you can go on custom and choose whatever collation they want, sir. Here also choose whatever collation they want. But please be careful, sir. If they are specifying, choose the right collation, sir. Again, double check, sir. Every time you need to double check. For example, this is the collation they're asking. Okay. Please double check whatever the collation name they given and whatever the collation you selected. Both should be same, sir. Now here I am going for default collation. Here I am changing the collation types. Okay. Now click on next. Click on next. This window is very, very important, sir. Okay. Almost all are same only. See, sir. Server configuration, data directories, tempdb, max drop, memory, file stream. Almost same only, sir. There is no much enhancement done. Only one thing you notice, one is addition, one is Azure extension for SQL Server. These are the two things which is added. Rest everything same only, sir. Agree, not agree?
Okay, sir.
Then no edition came in 2019 also, right? Though not
Wait,
separate
sir.
tab, not
No,
separate
I
tab.
mean to say separate tab. No, I mean to say separate tab, sir. Because
Okay.
that is how your interview is expecting from you. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So, sir, here forget about authentication, sir. Go for default authentication. I'm going for mixed authentication and providing the password, sir. 123. Okay, 123. I am going for sir. You no need to worry. When we are discussing security, I will come back again here, sir. Okay, please don't get afraid. When I go to the real world, sorry, not real world, sorry. When I go to the security concept, I will again come back this one. I will explain you what is this Windows authentication, what is this mixed authentication, what is this SA account, all this concept I will explain you, sir. Is it fine, everyone? Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Here, very, very important, sir. To whom I need to grant the permissions, sir. In real world, okay, every time we will be part of the groups, not individual login, sir. మనం ఎప్పుడు ఇండివిజువల్ గా ఉండము, గ్రూప్లలో ఉంటాం, సార్. గ్రూప్స్. సో దే విల్ క్రియేట్ ద గ్రూప్, సార్, ఇన్ రియల్ వరల్డ్. like group. So SQL hyphen DBA hyphen LG. Okay, I am part of local group, sir. Local group. I am part of local group. If you're global group, you can create global GG, sir. GG stands for global group. LG stands for local groups. UG stands for universal group, sir. Uh, Sir, naming again, naming, and you can also consider that local group means only local team. Local teams, sir, who are working from India, you are all part of local team. If you are part of global, then they will create a GG group. If you are part of universal, they will create the universal group, sir. How your project infrastructure is based on that, your active directory team is also will work, sir. So what they will do, they will create the groups. They will create the groups and they will open the groups and they will add the members. I already having one login, sir. Okay, they will add the members, and what they will do, they will add our group into the administrator level. Now SQL hyphen DBA hyphen LG, sir. When you check, yes, sir. See, now click on OK. Click on OK, sir. I just created one group. I added a login to that group, and I granted Active Directory administrator level permission to that group. Is it fine, right, sir? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, I will give you one example. Assume you are the 11 people who are working as a DP in your project. I am the new joinee, sir. What they will do means, Active Directory team, they will create my login. They will create my login, and they will directly go and add my login into the group. Now they no need to grant all the permissions, right? Whatever the permissions are already available to this group, I will also get the same permissions, right, sir? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes.
That is how రియల్ వరల్డ్ విల్ వర్క్, సార్. రియల్ వరల్డ్ లో ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుందంటే అండి, మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక 10 మెంబర్స్ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇంకొక అతను జాయిన్ అయ్యాడండి. సో ఆ ఒక్కనికి అన్ని సర్వర్స్ కి పర్మిషన్ అంటే ఇట్స్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్. సో వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, మీ లాగిన్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. మీ లాగిన్ తీసుకెళ్లి ఈ గ్రూప్ కి యాడ్ చేస్తారు, సార్. అంతే. ఆ గ్రూప్ కి ఆల్రెడీ పర్మిషన్ ఉంది, సార్. ఏం పర్మిషన్ ఉంది? యాక్టివ్ డైరెక్టరీ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్ లెవెల్లో పర్మిషన్ ఉంది, కాబట్టి మీరు అన్ని యాక్సెస్ చేయగలుగుతారు, సార్. ఎస్, నో? ఎస్, నో, సార్?
Yes, Subbu. But this topic we can discuss in users and logins. We can
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will
discuss.
discuss.
We have a
I will,
topic. Yeah.
yes, sir. I will discuss again. There is a concept called
Okay.
security, sir. Sir,
Uh-huh.
security we will discuss next level, sir. Next level. Okay, make a note.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, sir, what I need, why I am discussing this one means, in real world, when you are installing SQL Server, don't click on add current user, sir. Sir, when you are installing now, everyone is installing local laptop, right, sir? You can just click on add current user, sir. Whatever the login you connect to your laptop, by default it will get the same login name. But in real world, you will click on add, you will click on add, and you will grant the permission to your groups. Then click on check. It will fail. Oh, it got it. Sometimes it will fail, sir. It won't detect. In that scenario, go to object type, choose the group, sir. Sometimes group is unchecked, sir. That is the reason, sir. If I uncheck this one, if you click on checkbox, remove this one, sir. SQL.dba hyphen lg. Click on check. It won't detect, sir. It won't detect. So in that scenario, go to object type, click on groups, click on OK, and check this name, sir. Now it will detect. Okay. What you need to do means, you need to add your group. Don't forget, sir. Don't add your login. Being you are installing SQL Server, don't add your login. In real world, you need to add entire your group. Entire your group, sir. This is very, very important. Got it, everyone? When you are working in your laptop, sir, you can just add current user, but in real world, you should add your group, sir. Clear? Not clear?
Clear, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now, sir, data directories. Go to data directories, sir. Now, all the data files I need to go for which drive, sir? I created data. I
E
created
drive.
data folder, D drive. Okay. Let me go for this folder, sir. See, this is the folder. All the log files where I need to go, sir?
E drive.
E drive. E drive. Backups where I need to go, sir? Backup E drive. So all the user databases I need to go for D drive. All the system databases, both log file and data files need to go for D drive. Now why it is creating double time? I don't want double time, sir. Let it be. Okay, let it be same folder. I don't want additional things, sir. Okay, let it be. So backups going for E drive, log files are going for E drive, user databases all going for data files are going for D drive, sir. Okay, and temp.db, sir. So once you select everything to which drive I need to go to the temp.db and choose the temp.db also. You need to tell, sir, forget about all these options. You no need to worry. Just blindly install SQL Server, sir, as of now. Again, I will touch base this concept in the advanced level. What is this temp.db? What is the number of files? What is initial size? All this concept I will touch, sir. You no need to worry. Okay, max drop, go for default, no need to worry. Memory, go for default, no need to worry. File stream, just ignore, sir. All this concept just ignore, you no need to worry as of now. Focus on server configuration, focus on data directories, focus on temp, sir. Sir, if you don't have multiple directories, go for C drive only, no worries. Sir, I am choosing everything in C drive. Here I am choosing everything in C drive, no worries. But in real world, follow the best practices. Getting? Not getting. Sir, forget about max drop, forget about memory, forget about file stream, forget about temp.db. You no need to worry. Go for default. No worries at all, sir. Again, I will come up all these concepts. Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope you understand, right, sir? So here very important is authentication, SA password, what are the groups, what are the directories, what is my tempdb, where I need to store my tempdb, how many files, all this will come again, sir. Just click on here next. Sir, here I'm going for everything default, correct? Everything I'm going for default, C drive only, C drive only, everything I'm going for C drive. Here I followed all the best practices, sir. Then click on next. Click on next. Then click on install. Here I am not installing, sir. Okay, already 3 instances running. My server will like impact like anything, sir, my laptop. Here I am not installing. Clear? And you will get one config file, sir. See, here you will see what are the you selected everything. Double check all this one, sir, what you selected. If everything is okay, you can click on install. Just it will take 15 to 20 minutes, sir, more than no. And this is the config file, sir. Make a note. This will also I will explain you later. What if this config file will do? How important this config file? We'll discuss later, sir. So this is how normal installation. I told you all the best practices. I installed SQL Server in one laptop, sir, in here, and I shown you difference between 2019 and 2007, 2022 as well. Sir, as of now, don't think about all these concepts, sir. Think only couple of things. What are the, sir? Which edition, which version, what is my authentication mode, what are the logins I need to grant, And what are the directories? That's it, sir. Apart from nothing else. Don't go for max drop. Don't go for memory. Don't go for file stream. How many tempdb files? Just ignore, sir. Just ignore. One more point, sir, I can highlight. Okay, very very important point, sir. tempdb max drop memory is not available over 2014, sir. 2014. 2014. From 2014, Microsoft introduced tempdb. From 2019, Microsoft introduced maxdrop memory, sir. So this window has been introduced from SQL Server 2016. Remember, sir, very very important interview question. What is the major difference between 2014 and 2016? 2014, there is no window called tempdb. There is no window called tempdb. Getting my point? Online people, there is no
Yes,
window
sir.
called tempdb, but 2016 onwards, a window has been added. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss sir, all this concept. Okay, no worries. Everyone clear, sir, how to install SQL Server? Any complexities are you noticed? Anything?
No.
No, sir.
Sir, very simple, but process is very important, sir. That's what my intention is. You need to just click on next, 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 apart from nothing. What are the future you need to select? Where you need to store your data and then click on install. That's it. What is the instance name?
In 2022, nowhere it is showing like which version we are installing, right?
Sir, here it is showing SQL Server 2022 setup file.
Where, sir?
Top. This is the window, right?
No, not on the top. Here in the 2019, it is showing like install SQL Server 2019. It is showed in the
Where, sir?
in the inside the setup. These like left side tabs, na. Go
Oh,
back, sir.
okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
when you, this is new window, sir.
No. Go back in 2019. One more step.
Somewhere I kept, sir, actually. I made a couple of things. What is the difference? But where I kept it, I need to look into that one. I need to go for last batch video where I updated. Sometimes I will forget, sir. Where, sir? Where it is? Here.
No, no. Go back one more time. Yeah, it is showing
I'm saying it.
somewhere it is shown.
Oh, this one.
Installation. No, installation type. Go back, sir. Product. One more tab. Product key. Go back. Yeah, here it is shown like perform a new installation of SQL Server 2019. But in 2022, it has not shown, right?
Let me double check, sir. Okay. Let me double check. I will double check. Because this is the first time I'm installing 2022, sir, really.
Okay.
And let me connect, sir, once how it will looks like. SSMS. I already installed SSMS, sir. Sir, once you download, see, once you install SQL Server, sir, everyone, download tool called SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio, sir. Okay.
So
Go and download.
from
Yeah.
2016 onwards, separately we need to download, right?
Yes, sir. That
SSM.
tomorrow I will explain. Sir. Tomorrow I will explain. Okay. Download this SSMS, sir, and install it. Just click on next, next. That's it, sir. Apart from nothing. Once you install, once you open this SSMS, once you open this SSMS, you can just click on search, sir, SSMS. SSMS. It will open, sir. SQL Server Management Studio. Once it open, you can connect to the SQL Server. You can connect to the SQL Server, or we can also connect from the command prompt as well, sir. SQL CMD -s instance name, sir. VM1 -2019 because it's a default instance, right? -e, enter. Why? I already added, right?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, I added. How come? So this is I connected to the SQL server. Tomorrow I will discuss all this objects, sir. Hmm. Okay, I will check once again, sir. Why login? Login is already available, right? Part of that group only. XEC _, login info. SQL GPA LG members. Mhm. This is the group only, right? Or domain name. Okay. Hmm. Okay, we'll look into, sir. So everyone clear, sir, how to install SQL Server and how to connect to the SQL Server by installing SQL Server Management Studio. Just download that tool, sir, and click on next. Apart from nothing, sir. Once you download that SQL Server Management Studio, and this is how it will looks like, sir. SSMS setup file. Just double click on and click on install, sir. It will install. Sir, one thing, sir. Everyone, don't forget open control panel on your local laptop. I missed this point. Open control panel, go to the programs, turn Windows features on and off, and install .NET Framework 3.5, 3.5, sir. It's mandatory. Okay. Being you are having highest version, you must and should install .NET Framework 3.5, sir. Make a note. Okay. Just check this box. Click on OK. It will install, sir. Then you can go and install the SQL Server. Okay.
Okay.
I hope everyone is comfortable right now. Installation. Just perform, sir, installation. Okay.
Okay. No
Not today.
question.
Tomorrow, sir. Don't perform today. Tomorrow I want to discuss a couple of things. After that, you can start performing SQL installation, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
When you building the VM, where you find the option like yellow internet connection?
So here, sir. And then go for settings. There is Ethernet, sir. Okay, network adapter. Here I need to choose default switch. Once you choose the default switch, okay,
Okay.
I need to go for run commands at CMD. What is IP address of my Wi-Fi? IP config.
Config.
So this is my Ethernet IP address, sir. This is my Ethernet default switch.
Okay.
Okay, this is
Okay.
my IP address. So what I done means open server manager, go to local server, go to Ethernet, sir. Double click on Ethernet, go to properties. Others, no need to worry, sir. We'll discuss later, okay? Here, I need to provide the default gateway of 172.22.22.176.1, my Wi-Fi Ethernet IP address.
Okay.
Yeah, got it? And this is
Yeah.
static IP address I provided, sir. Same range only I selected.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now
that's it, sir.
you try to connect with your login. Why it is failed?
Oh, that's what. Strange. This should not, sir, actually. Because maybe there is something issue at the AD level. If at the AD level, that need should not display here. If I run this command, that will fails. Very shocking.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, Subbu. So you are trying to connect a local install in local machine or in VM?
in VM.
Yep.
VM. Okay. So did you pass that domain name along with the SQL server name?
Sorry.
Along with the SQL instance name, you need to pass the that AD domain name also.
Where
Yeah,
for
that is
instance name.
domain. NA is the domain name, right?
No, no, no. Please be mute everyone. Where you mean to say? Here. Hey,
There is
please
some
mute here.
someone speaking from it.
Okay. Yeah. Here you mean to say Sai.
Yes, before VM1. So is these both are in part of same domain or different?
Same domain only. Server is part of domain.
Same domain. Okay.
Server is part of same domain.
Okay. Try to
Even
pass with the NA backslash instance name.
no need.
1 second, Subbu. Open that SSM. Yeah. Go to yeah, connect. Yeah, cancel. Options. Additional connection properties. Yeah, here given Like so one port number, any port number. Yeah, connect.
No, that is not related to port because I allowed all the
No, no,
ports.
no. Yeah, I got 1 second connect and it will fail. Go to additional connection properties. Yeah, remove that one again. Yeah, come to login again. Yeah, give the server name. Yeah, connect again.
No, there is something which with the login at AD level because it is not recognizing this login actually. See, when you go and see the error log, it's clearly telling it is not able to recognize that login. But everything is working fine. But somehow it is not recognizing. I need to again drop the login and recreate the login. See, could not find the login match to the name provider. Sometimes AD level issues. But strange. Why? Yeah, I will check, okay? Today I was free, right? I will check. No worries. Tomorrow we'll discuss.
Okay.
So I hope everyone got clear, right? Let me do one thing. Sir. I can try the trial and method. KMS search. KMS search. That's what I told you, right? Entire directory. Okay. KMS. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay. Now let me try. Able to connect. So there is no issue with the login. Let me delete the login.
You close the session. Yeah.
Yeah, now I am able to connect. Oh, that login is still existing, right? I'm so sorry. I've, let me delete this. Oh, no. I need to connect with SA. Individual login is working fine. Okay. Where it is using, sir. Who is that? Sixty-two, 63, 64, 65. Okay, done. Now let me connect. Now same issue. Maybe issue with group, not with login.
Yeah, go to inside, sir. Luser mgr.mac.
L user. Where?
mgr.ms in the run button. In the run Windows R.
Okay.
Yeah. LUSR. LUSR mgr.msc. Local users and groups.
Oh, that's one. Okay, I mostly I won't remember the
Yeah.
shortcuts.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Go to groups. This group is a
At AD level I added, right? At Active Directory level I added, right? Or let me do one thing. Let me add here. See,
is there
here
is there already?
is there. But let me
No, but
add the group as well.
add
Let me
add the
add
group here. Yeah.
DPA -LC. Okay, let me add that group. Hey, very strange. I considered using KMS only. Okay. I will check, sir. No worries. Okay. Tomorrow I will get back this one. Yeah. I need to see the Active Directory level only. AD level. Being it is a Windows login, right? Yeah. So I will look into,
Yeah.
sir. No worries. And thanks everyone. Let me stop the
Yeah.
recording. Sai, you wanted to speak something?